With every inhale, fresh, oxygen-rich air enters your body.
Down the windpipe, or trachea.
Splitting into the two main bronchi. Then into smaller and smaller bronchioles, reaching millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli.
In the lungs. Where oxygen diffuses across thin walls.
Into the capillaries surrounding each alveolus.
And binds tightly to hemoglobin inside red blood cells.
Turning the blood oxygen-rich and bright.
And flows through pulmonary veins. Back to the left side of the heart. Into the left atrium, then left ventricle, where the heart pumps it forcefully.
Through the aorta. To major arteries and smaller arterioles.
Delivering oxygen to tissues like muscles. Liver, kidneys, and every organ. Where oxygen levels are lower inside the cells. Causing oxygen to release from hemoglobin. Diffuses out of the blood vessel. Across the fluid between cells.
And enters the cell itself.
And travels to the mitochondria. The powerhouses of every cell.
Where it joins nutrients in cellular respiration. Through the electron transport chain.
To produce energy in the form of ATP.
Fueling muscle movement. ATP supports key functions such as digestion and detoxification.
Brain and nerve signals.
Meanwhile, carbon dioxide is produced as waste and diffuses out of the mitochondria.
Into the bloodstream.
Out of the cell. In venous blood.
Back to the right side of the heart.
pumping it to the lungs. Right atrium to right ventricle. Through pulmonary arteries, where CO2 diffuses into the air sacs. Ought to be removed.
And exhaled with every breath out.
With backup storage in muscles. Factors like CO2 help release more oxygen where needed. A small amount travels dissolved in plasma.
During activity, breathing and heart rate increase.
This cycle repeats thousands of times a day.
To supply extra oxygen to working tissues.
Deep, steady breathing optimizes delivery.
Keeping oxygen levels high. Maximizing energy production. Point supporting sharp thinking. Keeping your heart strong. Powering your immune defense.
Even to your skin. Sweat and your digestive system.
While efficiently clearing waste CO2.
Maintaining perfect balance.
Your body adapts to low oxygen environments.
But issues like low red blood cells reduce delivery. While smoking or pollution impairs it.
Regular exercise strengthens the system.
And mindful breathing enhances intake.
With good habits, oxygen flows optimally.
Reaching and energizing every single cell.
For movement, thought, growth, and repair.
This remarkable journey happens with every breath.
Point sustaining your life.
From lungs to heart to cells.
Keeping you vibrant and healthy.
Breathe deeply. Your cells depend on it. One breath at a time.
Thank you for breathing. Your body thanks you. Oxygen, the fuel of life. Breathe well.